In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Trading 212 to TradingView. And here's the straight answer up front. You can't directly connect Trading 212 to TradingView. I'll explain why that is, and then I'll show you what most traders do instead, so you can still get the best of both platforms without confusion. The reason it doesn't work comes down to integration. TradingView only supports trading through brokers that are officially integrated into its system. That means the broker has to build and maintain a connection to TradingView using their approved process and API. Trading 212 isn't one of the supported brokers on TradingView right now, so there's no way to link your account or place orders from TradingView through Trading 212. TradingView themselves confirm that brokers must integrate first before users can connect them. If the broker isn't on TradingView's list, it simply won't show up as an option. So what can you do? The most common approach is to use TradingView purely for charting and analysis, and then place your trades on Trading 212. Open your charts in TradingView, add your indicators, draw your trend lines, and map out your signals. When you're ready, switch over to Trading 212 and manually enter the trade there. A practical tip is to keep both platforms open side by side so you can mirror your analysis quickly. Double-check that you're using the same instrument, time frame, and order type on Trading 212, and consider noting the exact levels you identified in TradingView to avoid mistakes. This workflow is simple, reliable, and it's what most Trading 212 users do today. Another option is to use a broker that's already supported by TradingView, such as well-known names like IG or Saxo. With a supported broker, you can place orders directly from the chart, set your stop loss and take profit visually, and execute faster without switching screens. If integrated order placement and chart trading are important to you, choosing a supported broker is the cleanest solution. To put it simply, think of TradingView as your analysis tool and Trading 212 as your execution platform. At the moment, they don't talk to each other directly. Until Trading 212 integrates with TradingView, you'll either use the charting then manual entry workflow or pick a broker that connects natively. Keep an eye on TradingView's supported broker list in case things change, but for now, those are your best paths forward.